Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on XIAOMI 12T. And to do this, first let's open up the camera. Here make sure that you're in a photo mode, this one right here. Then click on these three lines in the top right corner of the screen and enable macro. Then pick up the phone. Choose the object you want to take the photo for, and in this case I'll be using this one right here. You can zoom in maximum 2 times and then click on the shutter. And try not to move the phone while taking the photo. And that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.